Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, and I just made this out of a star. This is part 4. If you didn't watch 1, 2, or 3, you might want to watch them. But life is so easy when you use the transformation docker, Windows Docker's transform or transformation on yours. And let's put this thing back in the center of the page by hitting P. I guess I'd move my indexing line. And this is how quick this can be after you do this. You just need to cut away with the virtual segment delete key 2 sets of line. So this one is going to go that away, this one's going to go that away. Take your smart fill tool and fill one of them in red, change it to another color. I'm going to say yellow for the video. And then while you have that selected, hold down your shift key and select the red. And I'd go ahead and group it together so you won't have to mess with it anymore. Double click on the rotation and have it snap to the center. I always double check, and it is. Rotate it 45 degrees. We need 8 of them, but we've already got one, so we'll just make it 7. And that's how quick you made interlocking rings. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.